Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What is shirkat or musharaka? Shirkat is Arabic word which means partnership. In Islamic banking or Islamic economy, shirkat is very important and we are doing shirkat which means partnership, and partnership is very famous product. As we know that mudaraba and wakala is also part of partnership, but today we are not talking about mudaraba. We'll discuss only musharaka or shirkat. In shirkat, both the parties are contributing fund. It is not necessary that both the parties will distribute equal fund. May be equal, may be different value of fund. For example, one party distributing 70% and the other one distributing 30%. Even one party 99% and the other one 1%. But both the parties are contributing their capital fund. Now they are starting a business. Again, it is not necessary that both the parties will be active partners. Sometimes one party is a sleeping partner, the other one is active partner. What is the Sharia ruling? The Sharia ruling is that both the parties are contributing fund and both the parties are liable and responsible and eligible for the profit and loss. If there is any profit, in profit calculation ratio, in profit distribution ratio, both the parties are free. It is not necessary that profit will be distributed as per the capital proportion. While on the other side, if there is losses, in case of losses, yes, it is compulsory, it is fixed that losses will be contributed as per the capital proportion. For example, one party contributing 80% and the other party contributing 20%. But in profit distribution, 20% will take 80% of profit and 80% contributor will take from the profit only 20%. Yes, it is allowed. Whatever ratio they are agreed in profit distribution, yes, it is allowed in Sharia. But if there is any loss, so they cannot change the distribution ratio. Distribution ratio of loss is fixed. 20% will go to 20%, 80% will go to 80%. This is the short definition of shirkat or musharaka. Thank you and jazakallah khair. Thank you for watching this video. If you learn something new, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to learn more about Islamic banking industry, Islamic matrimonial and family problems, solutions and advice for an ideal life.